Salam, shalom, may the peace of our Lord Jesus Christ be upon us all. For today's video, ma-birthday si Baby Leon. Yay, Long! Aha ka mag-birthday, aha ka ma-birthday, Long.
Kuya Opti.
Yeah, sa iyang Kuya Opti. But first, we will fetch Gigi sa iyang trabahoan. So, ubanin mi and see you. Nami sa working area ni Gigi. Gahuwat lang may tagpuon niya si Baby Leon. Baby Leon, where's Mami? Long, you're waiting for Mami? Who's that, Long?
You want to see mommy? Yes.
Ay, hindi na nga.
Like this is better.
She knows you.
Yes.
He's not crying.
When you were a baby, you were with us. Right,
Yes.
Leon?
Hello.
Look who's here.
Hi, Ted.
Oh,
Tapos miss na ako lang.
Who's that, Long?
Hello. Si Donmon. Yo.
Why? Kibaw gid siya.
Are we friends?
Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo sa kulay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo.
And now we will see the balcony sa venue sa birthday party, no? And you look at the swimming pool and the view outside sa balcony. Nindot kayo mag-standby dire. As you can see, that's the view sa balcony in Dubai. So you look at City of Lights. So ani na pod nako humana ng mini vlog. So that's it, Pansit. Thank you for watching.